Hello! So I went online plant shopping again, but this time I actually had an excuse. I needed to buy a present and I needed pots. So it's not that much of a online plant shopping, but online indoor plant pot shopping. So you will see a lot of pots and I hope you will find this interesting. So I ordered it at Botanical again. I've had really good experience the last time I bought stuff from Botanical. They're based in Norwich. And yeah. So I finished my PhD recently. So I thought, what can I get my PhD supervisor to thank her for all the work and all the support that she's given me. And I thought like, oh, I really enjoy plants, so I decided to buy her a pot and a plant. So there's one plant in here, which is the plant for my supervisor. And I hope she will like it, and I hope she doesn't watch my videos. Otherwise, she will see what she will get before I will give it to her in person. Okay. Ooh. So I noticed last time that they're biodegradable. So if you just put them in water, they will start to disappear. So that's really cool. Where am I gonna put all these things? Let me get this. Ah. Or next to the bin. That's awesome. Look at this beautiful purple. Yes, I will show you the pots, and at the end of the video I will also show you what the pots look like when I have a plant in them. So I'll try later on to find a beautiful plant that suits these pots. Let's start with this one. Ooh. This is actually the one that Stana chose. Oof. Why did you choose this one, Stana?
I like the color and the shininess and the shape.
Very nice. I will place it here for now. So all the other pots are gonna be, they were all chosen by me. And some Stana didn't like that much, but I still bought them. Yeah, so I think this is my favorite out of all of them. That's the one that Stana didn't like that much. Isn't this cute? I love the yellow and the dots. Ooh, very excited about this one. That's another pot. Yeah, I love this cactus pot. So it's this cactus, this light green cactus, and I'm not sure what to put in it yet, but it looks very cute. So I think this is the plant that I got for my, what is it? Maybe it's the pot that I got for my supervisor. But yeah, again, it looks very well packaged, so no damage, so that's very good to see. Oh, it is the plant and the pot that I chose for the plant, both in one. Oh, so very exciting. So I chose this colorful pot. It's quite big. And then this heart-shaped plant. See? So, what do we think? Does it go together? I think it might. So now I have to find plants for my pots, and I will show you what they will look like in just a bit. So it took a little bit of time, but I think I found exactly the right plants for the pots that I bought. So let's start with my favorite pot. Ooh. I put the peperomia pixie in it because I think it has like this shimmer of yellow, and I think this goes quite well with the yellow on the pot. Okay, so I put the peperomia pixie in a little bit bigger of a pot, so it will grow in the next couple of weeks, and I think then it will look even better than it does now. Then my cactus pot. So I put the crassula in it. Thought it's actually, even though it's also green, I think because of these red highlights, I think they look quite beautiful together. And I didn't want to put a cactus in it, but a succulent, I think that works quite well. And then finally, this is actually Steina's choice. It was Steina's pot choice, and he wanted this fern in it as well. And yeah, I think the fern looks good in everything, in any pot, but I think especially in the pot that he chose. So yeah, very happy with this. Yeah, so here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.